All right, today I have the Angel Juicer and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Right here I have the twin gears that I'm going to be putting in this, and it's important when you're assembling this to have the power turned off so you don't injure yourself or damage the juicer itself. So let's get started with assembling the Angel Juicer. So right here I have the twin gears, okay? So you have the twin gears. Now it's important to note that one of the gears actually has metal housing inside of it and the other plastic. Now it's important to know which is which because when it comes to attaching the twin gears to the juicer, you have to attach them accordingly. On this side right here is for the metal housing, and this side, the left side right here, is for the plastic. And you'll see there's little notches in here. Let me see if I can zoom in there so you can see this a little bit better. There's notches right here for the metal housing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. Now, the way that I do it, of course, I have the juicer completely turned off. It's unplugged because I do not want this turning on while I am putting the gears into place. So I have the metal, one with the metal housing right here. And for me to put it in, I actually put them together like this with the metal housing slightly ahead of the one with the plastic housing, which goes on the left. So I'll put them together like this, and then I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, so I have one slightly ahead of the other, and then I am going to just turn it a little bit so it gets into place, and then slide it on. This is how I do it. Just like that. You see it's in place. Sometimes you may have difficulty, like if you're trying to putting in one at a time. Sometimes it's difficult, but sometimes it goes on just as easy as that. Yeah, you have to play around with it to get it. So once I have that into place, I go ahead, I'm going to zoom back out so you can get a full picture of what's going on. I am going to go ahead and put this on right here. Now this is the filter right here. This is for the standard filter right here. I'm going to go ahead and insert this. Now when inserting this, make sure the clamp is open so this can go into place. Make sure the seal is around the edge right here, the rubber seal, and make sure it's on evenly. Let me come back a little bit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and place this, press this all the way back, and put it into place. And then take the clamp. You see what I'm doing with the clamp? Once it's flush against the bottom back, go ahead and take the clamp, clamp it all the way down like that, and that is in place. Now once I have that, I'm sure that all the moving parts are in place. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the back and make sure, and go ahead and plug the plug into place. See at the back. Plug that into place. Make sure it is in off position first before I plug it in. And then I'm going to turn on the on switch back here. Now turning the on switch is just for the power. It does not actually make it start turning on. In order for that to work, you have to go over here, zoom in a little bit here, and you see how it has the stop and here's a start. There's actually a reverse on here. But in order for the gears to start moving, you have to press the start button right there, which we will do momentarily. All right, so let me pull back out. And I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and place my juicing cup. I'm going to place my juicing cup into place. All right, so let me place my juicing cup into place. Now, when we're doing this, I'm going to come down a little bit lower so you can see this better. You put the juicing cup in here and you put it in between this lip right here, and there's another lip right there. So the juice is going to flow down that way. All right. So once you have that in place, you can go ahead and put your pulp cup into place. And so with this, you actually have to put it underneath the back lip. So you have the pulp cup coming out this way. So it's extracted that way. And you have the juice coming out this way. All right, so we're going to put this in action so you can see what's going on. All right, so let me go ahead and get something to put it in here. I'm going to take a carrot and place a carrot through this. Okay, so I'm going to place a carrot through this so you can see this actually in operation right here. All right, so I have that in place. So I'm going to turn this on now that everything's in place. I'm going to show you how it operates. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on by pressing that start button. Remember, I talked about the start button. Press the start button. And I'm going to take a carrot. I'm going to show you it juicing. All right, so I'm going to take this. One thing before I keep on going, you have to put the housing cover over here. Now, putting this over here keeps it from splattering everywhere. So make sure to put this on top right there. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put that onto place so it doesn't splatter everywhere when I put the carrot in. I'm going to go ahead and press start again. And I'm going to go down here. And I'm going to take the carrot and I'm just going to place it in here. And then I'm going to take the plunger to assist the carrot within the juicer. And you can see it going through. And don't press it too hard because it can become jammed. Just simply guide it into place. And you can see that the juice is coming out for the carrot. The juice came out for the carrot. And the pulp is coming out this way. And I'll show you in a second. Get down a little bit closer. So the pulp is coming out this way, and the juice is coming out of that way. So we have pulp and we have juice. And I'm going to show you the carrot in a second. All right. Some more pulp is coming out. I'm just letting it run, and then press stop. And then show you the pulp. So look at this. This is the carrot pulp right here that I just put in here. I'm just going to take this part off. And this is the carrot juice that it made. All right. So that is how you assemble the juicer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.